Hi, I'm Trilingual Coach, Coach Medai. Today I wanna share with you about Chinese in English. Coach Medai enjoy Chinese. Cut. Today is the 10 times of my class. And today is also we are going to learn about spin-off story about ooh. Okay. And I'm Coach Medai. I'm Japanese, and after at about 20 or 21 years old, I started to learn Chinese and I have mastered the Chinese in 10 years. So in this lesson, in my Chinese lesson, I want to share with you a very interesting tips, of how to learn Chinese as a foreigner. As a foreigner, I know how to learn Chinese. So in this video, I want to share with you about how to learn Chinese, or what kind of points do we have to see, okay? And when you practice, when you study Chinese, if you use textbook, and I think these textbooks have some kind of CD, and you're going to learn Chinese with listening and watching textbook. But I think it's not enough. So I think using this video, and if you watch me, how to move, how to make my mouth move. I think that's very important. So I think if you wanna master one languages, using video and study learning languages is very effective way. So that's why I'm sharing with you about the Chinese very basic sounds in this video. Okay, and today is also we are going to see the ooh spin-off story. And I will every time I open the class, I wanna do a very simple review. My previous lesson, because Chinese is very hard to learn. So every time you learn the previous lesson, you can, unconsciously, you can gradually memorize the point of previous lesson. Okay. So the first of all, in my first lesson, we have learned about 4 sounds. In Chinese, each letters, each characters has 4 sounds. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, ma. 2, ma. 3, ma. 4, ma. Ma, 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 ma. Po, 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 po. This kind of 4 sounds. Okay, and in my second lesson or third lesson, we have learned about Chinese each letters, each characters. It's like a movie or drama. We are going to learn the main characters and the supportive characters. It's the same as Chinese. Main sounds and supportive sounds. There are 10 main sounds, and there are 21 supportive sounds in Chinese. Okay? And the most important main sounds are 7. This 7. Did you remember that? A, I, U, I, O, E, Okay? If you forget how to pronounce, please review my previous lesson. Coach Medai's Enjoy Acting number 2, 3, 4. And this is a very important. So we have to be careful about the shape of your mouth. Bigger, flat, round, and the place where your voice comes from. Now this is your mouth. Upper frontis, under frontis, and throat. Okay? So each sounds, each letters. Okay? Some sounds are from front upper press. Front upper press, highest press. But some sounds are from back, highest, lowest, middle press. Back, highest, lowest, middle press. Okay? And the next lesson, we have learned about the combination between main characters. There are 4 combinations. These 4. A, I, E, A, O, O. Okay? And the next lesson we have learned about 3 guests in main role, main characters. There are 10 main characters, and the most important are 7. So the rest of the 3 are the guests. Yeah, in a movie or drama like that, something like that. N, NZER. N and NZ is very difficult to understand. N. There are 2 type of N. A, N. N. An, N. N is like your tongue is going forward and touch the behind of upper frontis. And then you have to bite your tongue a little bit. N. Okay? And NZ. 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 It's like you have to open your throat and your tongue, pull your tongue a little bit. And your sound, your voice are going back toward your throat. Open your mouth bigger. Open your throat. Okay? And the ER is very simple. You have to curl your tongue, and your tongue doesn't touch anywhere in your mouth. Okay? So today we are going to learn about spin-off story woo, woo, and the combination between woo and an, that's it. These 4. Okay, first of all, we are going to learn how to pronounce oo. Did you remember that? Oo is here. Make your mouth round. Ooh. And the place where your voice comes from is back highest press. Back highest press. Ooh, ooh. This is ooh. And the combination between ooh and, okay, this is one. This ooh and when. Okay, so and is like your tongue is going forward, touch the behind upper front teeth, and you have to bite your tongue a little bit. is like the is like your voice will be from lowest place and the middle place. And is like here. Your voice will be from middle, little bit high place. Front, back, middle, highest, lowest, middle, little bit high place. And. So the combination between u and an is like that. One, when. Okay. The next u, the combination between u and a and z. U and E and Z. So we are going to pronounce like this. Wang, wang. Wang. Okay, please be careful about your throat. Often bigger. And your tongue is pulled a little bit, and it doesn't touch anywhere in your mouth. And your voice is going back toward your throat, deeply. Is back, highest place. Wang. Okay, that's it. So yeah, I think it's very easy if you review the previous lesson. Yeah, I think it's a combination of words that we have learned before, right? So this is a very simple exercise in your face. Okay, so I will do a very simple review today. Today we have learned 4 type of sounds. The combination between main sounds, main characters, right? And today's main role. Today's main character is a spin-off story of one, when, and. So you have to bite the tongue a little bit, and your tongue is going forward, touch the behind upper front teeth. Okay? This is the last place. And one, when, and then one. This is NZ. So you have to open your throat, your voice is going back to the throat, and your tongue doesn't touch anywhere in your mouth. That's it. Okay? Thank you for watching my channels, and did you understand what I say? What I want to teach? Yeah. This is a very, I think the Chinese basic pronunciation needs a lot of practice. Okay, so if you have any problem or if you have any questions, please comment below. Okay, thank you. So thank you for watching my channel, and see you next time. 再见，拜拜。